We woke up very late today.
We must hurry, or we will miss the flight.
Mom, why are we in a hurry this morning?
We are going on a trip today, my dear.
The taxi will arrive very soon.
I still need to pack our clothes. Can I take my favorite toy with me?
Yes, but only one small toy, please.
I cannot find our passports right now.
Don't worry. The passports are safe here.
All right, let's go to the airport now.
I can see many cars and tall buildings.
Please sit nicely and stay safe.
We are going to the airport, thank you.
Are we really flying on a big airplane today?
Wow! This place is very big and busy. Stay close to us and don't run.
Follow me. I know where to go.
There are so many people here.
Yes, many people travel every day.
Why do we have to wait here?
They check our passports before flying.
Good morning. Where are you traveling today?
We are traveling to Italy today.
Everything is fine. Enjoy your trip.
What do these machines do?
They check our bags to keep everyone safe.
I feel like a robot right now.
You are doing very well.
Airport is very interesting. This airport is very interesting. This is my first time on a plane.
You can look outside during the flight.
I can see the sky and clouds.
We will fly together and have fun.
We are flying high in the sky now. Welcome to Italy, my family.
It feels nice and warm here. This airport looks different from home.
Hey.
Our family name is spelled wrong.
That's okay. Our vacation starts now.